This is Patty Webster, principal at Hill Middle School, and we are here with our families and our friends and our staff members, restoring the school, cleaning it up, and it's amazing that we had Gator ROTC here, we have our staff members, we have some parents helping us clean up so that we're ready hopefully to open this week. And this is so meaningful for us that our community is coming together so that we can all push through and get some sort of normal again. So thank you.